What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Volvo remote key fob. This Volvo key fob is going to take a replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. If we take a look at the bottom of our key fob, we see this release right here. What we're going to do is press that release, and then on the side with the logo, we're going to push it up this way. So press that release, and then that side of the cover will slide up just a little bit like that. And once it slides off, it'll come off. Once it slides up, it'll come off. Now, if we take a look near the key ring on the bottom, we notice there's another release right here. What we're going to do is press that release, and then we're going to do the same thing with this side. Slide it up just a bit. So press that release, and then that'll slide up and come off. And then we see this circular shaped cover right here. What we need to do with that is grab a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to rotate it till this triangle right here is pointing to the open position. So put it in there, rotate it just a little bit. And then you may need to grab yourself a smaller flathead screwdriver to get behind the cover and get it up. And as I did that, this battery came out, but if yours doesn't, it'll just be sitting in there like that. Once you get your old battery out, we'll grab the new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. Put that circular shaped cover back on. You'll have to line it up so it's lined up in the open position, and then rotate it to where it's closed. And now we'll grab this side, the side without the logo, and we'll kind of reverse what we did to put it on. Push it down, and then it'll slide down just that little bit. Same thing here. Push it on there, and then it'll slide down just that little bit to lock into place, like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.